Today is lesson 5.2 Algebra, Find Unknown Factors. Our vocabulary term today is equation. An equation is a number sentence that uses the equal sign to show that two amounts are equal. Our problem of the day is Mrs. Moon arranged the desks in her classroom in 5 rows with 8 desks in each row. How many desks did Mrs. Moon arrange? Well, I know that I'm going to use the cubes method, so I'm going to circle the numbers, which is 5 and 8, and I know that I'm using groups, so I'm going to multiply. 5 times 8 is 40, so it's letter D. Our problem today is what we will be doing is finding arrays and making multiplication sentences. So we're going to do this first one together. Here are these puppies. Let's count across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 across and 1, 2 down. So the multiplication sentence will look like 5 times 2 equals 10, because we can either use our multiplication chart or we could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's look at this next one. We have bears, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across and 2 down. So 7 times 2, we can use our multiplication chart or we can count the bears, which would equal 14. Let's find a harder one. Let's look at these giraffes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across and 1, 2, 3 down. We know that 8 times 3 equals 24 from our multiplication chart or just memorizing it, or we can count the whole thing. I want you to look at these tractors and I want you to solve this and put it on your Post-it.